Market Street, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Interstate 95. Nothing is moving. Ice. Ice has paralyzed this region. December 21st, 2011, about 9 a.m. We're on the southbound side, south from New Hampshire, Portsmouth, looking towards Boston. Completely shut down. This is the northbound side, Market Street. Off in the distance on the right, you see the Piscataqua River Bridge. Goes underneath the Piscataqua River, which feeds into Portsmouth Bay, which goes into the Atlantic Ocean. Over the bridge, you're into the state of Maine. Totally shut down. The only functioning vehicles now, New Hampshire Department of Traffic. It's in the mid-20s, not really terribly cold, but of course cold enough to freeze. We have several minor accidents ahead of us over there on the right side. One on the left. So I have a rare opportunity to walk on Interstate 95. This is the southbound side. Connects the state of Maine with New Hampshire. Take you on down into Massachusetts, Boston, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, New Jersey. Right down the East Coast, but not today. Temperature seems to be warming up a bit, but not fast enough. A day to wait and see. Geno TV from Portsmouth, New Hampshire.